The court session took a surprising turn, as Nnamdi Kanu once again did not open his defense, leading the judge to adjourn the matter until Monday. This latest development has attracted attention across Nigeria and beyond, as many people were waiting to see how the defense would begin and what strategy Nnamdi Kanu would use in this very important trial. Before I go deeper into what happened and why, please like this video and subscribe, because this story is unfolding fast and we will continue to give you clear and timely updates that matter. When the court resumed today, many expected that the defense would finally kick off, but that did not happen. Nnamdi Kanu told the court that he could not continue at this moment because he did not have access to his case file and his legal team who had been representing him had already withdrawn from the matter. According to him, this made it impossible for him to properly begin his defense. Please remember to like this video and subscribe as we move ahead, because this case is entering a very sensitive stage and every detail counts. The judge listened to his statement and also listened to the prosecution, who insisted that today was meant for the defense to begin. The judge then explained that while the law gives Nnamdi Kanu the right to defend himself, the court cannot continue to wait endlessly. However, the judge still granted an adjournment to allow Nnamdi Kanu more time, with a clear warning that the days given for his defense will not be extended forever. Now, like this video and subscribe, because what comes next on Monday may change the direction of this entire case in a very dramatic way. Many supporters and observers are now asking questions. Why is the defense not starting? Is it a delay tactic? Is it a genuine challenge? Or is there a deeper issue that has not yet come to light? Some people believe it is a strategy. Others believe it is a sign of internal challenges within the defense structure. No matter the side you are on, one thing is clear. The Monday session will be very significant. If you are following this case closely, please like this video and subscribe, because we will be here to break down the next chapter the moment it happens. This situation has also raised conversations about fairness and due process. Nnamdi Kanu insists he has not been given proper access to his legal materials and he cannot defend himself without them. The prosecution, on the other hand, believes the time for defense has already been set and should not be delayed anymore. The judge is now standing in the middle, trying to balance the law, the timeline, and the rights of the defendant. This is why Monday is now a major test for everyone involved. Once again, like this video and subscribe as we continue. Many supporters who have been following this case are becoming more anxious because they expected that by now the defense would have already started. Some of them believe that Nnamdi Kanu is being denied a fair chance to defend himself, while others feel the legal team should have been more prepared. In moments like this, emotions are high and people from different angles are sharing their opinions. Before I go deeper into those reactions and what people are saying, please like this video and subscribe. It helps us reach more viewers who need clear updates like this. Right now, a key issue is the withdrawal of his legal team. When a defendant suddenly finds himself without lawyers in such a sensitive trial, it creates both confusion and delay. Nnamdi Kanu told the court that his lawyers withdrew just yesterday, and that alone is a major challenge. Without proper legal support, it becomes harder to organize documents, prepare arguments, or challenge the prosecution. So, for him to say that he has no access to his file and no legal team to guide the process, it adds a new layer of complication. Please remember to like this video and subscribe, because we are following this matter step by step. But at the same time, the prosecution is also firm. They believe that the court gave enough time, and today should not have passed without the defense beginning. For them, this is a case that should move forward without any more delays. They do not want the timeline to be shifted again. This is why the prosecution argued strongly that the defense must start. However, the judge stepped in, observed the situation, and then decided to adjourn until Monday, but with a warning. Like this video and subscribe as we move on, because that warning from the judge is very important. The judge made it clear that while the right to defend yourself is guaranteed, the court will not allow endless postponement. What this means is that by Monday, something must happen. Either Nnamdi Kanu will open his defense, or the court will have to make a serious decision about how to move forward. That is why Monday is now the new focus for everyone. It will reveal whether the defense is truly ready, or whether more unexpected events will come up again. Please like this video and subscribe, because this is building up to a crucial moment. As we look ahead, there are three major questions on the minds of many viewers and observers. The first question is, will Nnamdi Kanu get a new legal team before Monday? The second question is, will he be given full access to his case file before the next sitting? And the third question is, if he still cannot continue on Monday, what will the court decide? These questions are now at the center of the entire discussion, and the answers will shape the next chapter of this trial. Please like this video and subscribe. We will continue to follow these questions closely. Across the country, many supporters are reacting emotionally to the delay because this case is not just a legal matter to them, it carries personal, social, and political meaning. Some supporters believe that every delay increases their worry, while others think the extra time might give Nnamdi Kanu a better chance to organize himself. Whichever side they fall on, one thing is clear: people are watching closely and the tension is rising. As we continue, please like this video and subscribe, because your support helps us keep giving you balanced updates without stopping. In many conversations happening online and offline, people are asking why the defense team withdrew so suddenly. Some say it may be internal disagreement, others think it could be pressure, and some believe it was simply a strategic change. But right now, there is no confirmed public explanation that answers every question. This gap in information is part of why people are reacting strongly. Please remember to like this video and subscribe as we go on, because this story is still unfolding and we will keep following it. Meanwhile, Monday has now become a symbolic date. People are counting down to it, expecting that finally the defense will speak. If the defense opens that day, then the trial can finally move forward. But if Monday brings another delay, the reactions could be even louder than what we are seeing now. This is why many individuals, civil groups, and observers are now paying even closer attention. Like this video and subscribe, because the next update will be very important. Supporters in different regions have also expressed concern about the fairness of the process. For them, the key issue is simple: give him full access to his documents, give him the opportunity to defend himself, and let the court process run openly. They want the trial to be transparent, because transparency builds trust. If people feel the process is clear and fair, tension goes down. But when people feel someone is not being given room to defend themselves, tension increases. Please hit the like button and subscribe, because we will keep explaining this situation in clear language so everybody can understand it. At the same time, there are others who believe the court must move fast and avoid any form of delay. They argue that long trials affect public confidence in the justice system. To them, justice should be timely. And since the court already gave days for the defense to begin, they believe those days should be respected. So right now, you have two strong views facing each other. One, pushing for fairness and full access. The other, pushing for speed and resolution. Like this video and subscribe as we continue breaking this down. If Monday goes smoothly, it could calm the atmosphere. But if Monday raises new issues, it could lead to more debates, more legal arguments, and more emotional reactions across the country. Because of this, all eyes are now on the next court sitting. This is not just about one man. It has become a national topic that affects public opinion, public trust, and public emotion. So please like this video and subscribe, because when Monday comes, we will bring the next chapter straight to you in simple and professional language. In the next part, I will move into what might happen in court on Monday, the possible legal outcomes, and how each outcome could affect the direction of this case going forward. There are a few realistic scenarios, and understanding them will help viewers follow the next stage without confusion. When the court reconvenes on Monday, there are a few key possibilities that could shape everything. The first possibility is that Nnamdi Kanu will finally open his defense. If that happens, the court will proceed, witnesses may be called, arguments will be presented, and the case will start moving forward in a clear direction. Many people are hoping for this outcome because it will reduce speculation and bring more clarity to the situation. Please like this video and subscribe as we continue, because we will be here to break down every step. The second possibility is that he returns to court still without access to his case file or without legal support. If that happens, it may trigger another argument between the defense and the prosecution, and then the judge will have to decide whether to allow more time or to take a firm decision that could change the direction of the case. This outcome is what many observers are worried about, because it could create more tension. So please remember to like this video and subscribe, because we will continue to follow the matter without any break. The third possibility is that a new legal team appears on Monday or soon after. If that happens, the court may still allow them time to study the case file before proceeding. That could bring a fresh angle into the defense strategy. Some people believe this might even be the best option, because representing yourself in such a sensitive case can make things complicated. Please hit the like button and subscribe, because we will explain any new development the moment it happens. No matter which outcome appears on Monday, one thing is guaranteed: the court will not entertain endless delays again. The warning from the judge shows that the patience of the court is running out, and the timeline will not be stretched again and again. That is why people are preparing themselves mentally for a very decisive week ahead. So, like this video and subscribe, because the next stage of this case may be more intense than everything we have seen before. Right now, the situation sits at a crossroads. The defense side is under pressure to get organized, the prosecution is ready to proceed, and the court is trying to maintain control and balance. The public is watching, the country is waiting, and tension is sitting quietly in the background, waiting for Monday. Please remember to like this video and subscribe as we continue. In the final stretch of this gist, I will explain how all of this affects the wider political atmosphere, public emotion, peace in the region, and what long-term impact this trial could have depending on how it ends. After that, I will close the story in a smooth and professional way that leaves your audience fully satisfied, informed, and engaged.